Have you heard of Stader Labs? If you haven't, I'm about to give you a full review and how you can use this to the full effect using the links down below. So guys, before I do it, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Let's rock and roll. So here we are over at staderlabs.com. Okay, now this is a multi-chain liquid staking platform, so you can access DeFi while earning staking rewards. Guys, there's over 117 million assets staked, over 20 million plus rewards paid, and over 70,000 stakers. Okay, you can start staking right now. Just hit the stake button, but I want to tell you a little bit about exactly what this is. So their mission is to bring 1 billion people to staking and DeFi. Okay, they're aiming to achieve this by simply staking and offering the best yield opportunities via staking and DeFi. Now their journey so far, starting in November 21, they started out on Terra blockchain, achieving the peak TVL of $1 billion plus with 40K plus starting wallets. Moving on through January 2022 to March 22, okay, expanded liquid staking offerings to Hedera, Phantom, and Polygon. They launched the liquid staking on Terra 2.0 in April 22 to June 22, and July 22 to September 22, they launched liquid staking on BNB chain and Near. Now, from October to December of the same year, okay, they launched the community governance and snapshot voting with totaling 35 plus DeFi integrations across 6 chains. The road ahead, they see the strive for crypto yield, so yielding APIs to crypto exchanges and institutions to power earn programs in a secure and decentralized way with no counterparty risk. The blockchain expansion, so the liquid staking to ETH, Solana, and other new exciting blockchains is there, and the vaults, so smart vaults to expand automated yield strategies to utilize liquid staked tokens across the chains. So you can get a little feel for what's going on here within this project. So guys, if you want to get going right now with the staking, all right, use that link down below. It's going to take you to this page. You want to connect your wallet up. Once you connect the wallet of your choice and you've accepted the terms, all right, that can be on MetaMask, Binance, Wallet Connect, Coinbase, anything like that, okay, then it's going to allow you to do it. MetaMask is usually the better one and the one I recommend the most. Once it's done, guys, you're going to enter your BNB amount, okay? So say you wanted to have 67 BNB, it's going to show you exactly how much BNBX you're going to get for that, okay, and you can choose. Then you're going to go over to the Stader TVL, okay, and choose your staking APR. Guys, it depends what one you want to choose. If you want to hit the no more button, this can actually show you in full view, okay. You are now able to explore the additional yield while still earning with your staking rewards. So have a look through, make sure you do your own research. You can either add the liquidity to it or swap for that token, okay, going all the way through the liquidity pools, the SD pools, the yield optimizers, the vaults, the lending and borrowing, the leverage farming, and options tradings and vaults. Guys, super easy. If you want to explore it per token, simply come over here and click on Hedera, Polygon, Phantom, Near, or Terra, okay, and start there. Guys, it's so easy and user friendly. There should be no reason why anybody gets confused with this, but if you do, please just watch this video over again or let me know in the comments. Once you've played around with that, once you've got some stakes and you make some, go up to the DeFi section, all right? So this is how you actually participate in the DeFi section of here, and again, it's got everything down here that you want to get involved. You simply click on the top here, or we can scroll all the way through. There you go, guys. Hit them links down below to get involved right now, and do me a huge favor. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you on the next video.